Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a journal with me today in my Give Thanks journal from Cheaply Chic. She just now released, actually today, this is Tuesday, she just released her Be Merry collection, and that collection, I looked this afternoon and it only had 3 left in the collection. So, if you're interested at all in getting these journals or starting journaling, it's a great opportunity. Like the first of the year, January, go ahead and click over to her channel and subscribe to her channel so you know exactly when it gets released, and you can, start purchasing these. If you are interested in seeing what this looks like, I definitely leave all the information down below if you want to know what the full collection looks like, including all the goodies. And so everything is in this little container that I put it in. She gives us fibers and clip and tags and pockets and sequins and all sorts of fun stuff. So I did a journal with me for this particular journal already where I kind of set it up, and then I did my little leaf wreath, it's hard to say, at the beginning. And what I wanted to do today was I wanted to see how I could use the little gems that came in the collection. So I was thinking that I would kind of do something slightly similar to that a little bit. And I think I want to do it I think I want to do it on the other, I want to do it on this page because I feel like this page is a little bit thicker and can kind of support my idea. So, but I don't know if I'm going to like having this pocket here. So I might have to just glue that down. To kind of get it out of the way, but we'll make that decision later. I don't have to make that decision right now. Okay, so I thought process. So I'm gonna put this in the front cover, and then kind of what I thought that I would do. I'm not exactly sure what I'm thinking. I'm kind of thinking that I want to just take these and kind of like make a little like collage with them, I guess. That's right. I don't know if that's the right word. Hold on. Let me actually just do this. So what I'm thinking is I just want to kind of flip them all over, maybe, if I can. Right. So I got them all flipped over. So I kind of almost just like it like that, but I think I want to make it a little bit more, I don't know if I want to do the, I'm thinking I want to do big to small. I don't know if I want to do it like in the corner. I kind of just want it to like fill up the page. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Almost like a cascading effect. It's getting there. It's getting there. I just keep kind of moving them around. Oh, I think I kind of want them to maybe curve a little bit. Okay, let me just set that there for now. And I just want to see if there's anything in here that I can use kind of as an accent piece. Maybe this tag. That might actually be kind of cool to put this down and then have them kind of be on top of it. That might be the idea I'm looking for. Hold on, give me just 1 second. I wonder what the clear one would look like. No, not like the clear one. Okay, well, I kind of like I feel like I got them the way I want them, and I'm gonna move them. I kind of feel like if I put this here and then kind of build the design on top. Of course, I'm going to lay all this out and then I'm going to have to redo it because I'm going to have to glue it. I'm definitely being a little bit more particular than I probably should be because I have tweezers. Wondering if I shouldn't grab them. I think I like that. I just wish. I think I'm going to have it come this way. I think I like it. I just need something. I need like a sentiment or some kind of focal point, which I don't know what that is. Okay, so after much debate and a lot of stuff on my desk, I think I've come to the conclusion I want this stamp on here, and it says gather together. Now, my question to myself is, do I want to attempt to stamp it directly onto this thing and potentially ruin the whole page, or do I want to stamp it onto something and then glue that something onto this page? Because then I can also glue it like a pop dot on the back of it and make it kind of stand up a little bit. but I can't seem to find anything that I could stamp that on and make it work. So that is my dilemma right now. What's the other? Is all that size? Okay. So I'm going to move this aside. I think I like this. So I'm going to get out my acrylic block here. Now, I don't know if this distressed ink is going to be dark enough to see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, kind of liking that. I just don't know if I like it with these colors. I definitely like the whole like gather together kind of thing. Okay, well I have more of these, so I'm gonna actually cut this off and make it a not make it a flag. See if I like that shape better. I don't know if that's big enough. That's my problem. I just don't know if that's making a big enough statement. I like the sentiment gathered together because it's all the little dots gathering together. I just don't know if it's enough. I just don't know if it's enough. I don't like how white this is. I definitely want to pop it off the page with some pop dots. I think I'm just going to go for it. I mean, I could sit here and debate about it all night long, but I mean, it's going to obviously make my journal bulky, but do I care? Nope. Now I'm going to get glue all over my nails. All right, so I'm just going to literally glue each one of these down, and I'm sure it will take me forever. So I'm going to watch a little YouTube while I'm doing this. So yeah, I'll see you on the flip side. Hopefully it doesn't look much different than what it looks like right now. Okay, so I finished. Yeah, that took me a while. It's still drying, so got a little residual glue that I'm not really happy with, but that little piece right there. Not sure what that is, but I don't want it on my page. Okay, Okay, got it. Okay. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think I like it. I mean, I don't know. There's a little bit of residual glue, but you know, I think it's still drying, so hopefully it'll dry a little bit clearer. And this pulls out, and then I can use that on the journal on the front or the back. Remember, it just slides right back in. And yeah, so I think that turned out pretty pretty. I don't know, something different, something unique. Yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I have no idea how long this video is going to be or how much editing I'm going to have to do because it was a process, but I think it turned out really cute and I like it and I think it's really pretty. So I most likely will glue this down to this side and then make this like a double pocket because this is obviously a little pocket here. That's kind of my thought process. Or I could glue that down here and make it a tuck and then a pocket on the side. So I'll think about all that. But for now, I think that is done. Yep, so that is all I'm going to do today for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.